In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check Odoo version. This is a quick task, but it is important, especially when you need to verify compatibility for customizations, reports, or integrations. You may also need the version when you are checking documentation or troubleshooting an issue. So let us go step by step and make sure you know exactly where to look. First, log into your Odoo account. After you sign in, you should see the main Odoo dashboard. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct instance, since the version is specific to the environment you are currently using. Once you are logged in and viewing the Odoo interface, you are ready for the next step. Next, click the Settings area. In most Odoo interfaces, this is located as a gear icon or a settings menu, depending on your layout. Open the settings so that you can reach the information panel where the version is shown. If you do not see the gear immediately, look for the settings icon or the main settings entry near the top portion of the screen. The goal here is simply to enter the place where Odoo provides account and application details. After opening settings, you will want to find your user menu. Click the user menu, which is your profile icon or your name in the top right corner. This is a common location across many Odoo pages, and it usually appears as a small profile image, a silhouette, or your displayed name. Go ahead and click it now. This menu typically contains helpful information about your account and the system. Now, once you open the user menu, scroll until you find an About option. The About button or label is usually located near the lower part of the menu. Spend a moment here just to make sure you see the About section clearly. This step matters because the About panel is what will reveal the version number. If you miss it and click something else, you may not see the version information you are looking for. When you find the About option, click it. At this point, Odoo should open a pop-up window or a panel that shows details about your Odoo instance. Look closely within that window for the version number. The version number may appear next to a label such as version, Odoo version, or a similar phrase. It might be formatted with major and minor numbers, like something in the style of a year and release number, depending on the Odoo release. Finally, confirm the version number shown in the pop-up window. You can use it for your records to reference the correct documentation or to ensure that any guides and configurations match your system. If you need to communicate the version to another person, you can copy it or write it down based on what your interface allows. Since the version is presented directly in that window, you do not need any additional navigation after you view it. And that covers everything you need to know. By logging into Odoo, opening settings, using the user menu in the top right, and selecting About, you can quickly find the exact Odoo version running on your instance.